as predicted, the River Wye burst its banks last night. So yeah, come up so quickly. So yeah, any plans to try and get on there today? Not going to happen. It's a bit of a shame because the sun's come out, even though it is a bit chilly. So as I was considering anyway, I'm going to have a quick go on the canal tomorrow. Picked a little route that I'm going to go on. Just go from the car park, a couple of miles, and then back. Might go a bit further depending on the weather.
Wow. How beautiful is that? Look at it. And we're off. Currently out on the Monmouthshire and Brecon Canal. I put in just below Abergavenny. I'm going to go a couple of miles upstream and then turn around and come back. It's just a short paddle this morning, testing out my new wetsuit. Gotta admit, I'm snug, I'm dry. That's the way we like it. Unfortunately, I'm in the inflatable again. Don't get my roof rack installed on the car till next Friday. I don't mind the inflatable. The only problem is it's a two-man. With me sat in the back, well, as much to the middle as I can with the seat adjustments in this one, and all my gear loaded in the front, it still feels a bit back heavy. This is certainly different from the river, having no current. Stop paddling and you stop. There's a tree across there that they've cut. Oh, I'm liking this wetsuit though. Any paddle drip isn't splashing on my legs. The only downside with a sitting top or an open top kayak canoe type thing, you get drip off the paddle, splashes into the cockpit. If you're not wearing appropriate gear, you suddenly find yourself very cold and numb. Sunday morning, it's a cold one, unfortunately. Touched freezing last night. You can see it on the camera, there is a gentle mist coming off the water. It's very quiet, too early for people, occasional dog walker. getting a bit too far into this. Bit of a turning point for the boats, I think. And another bridge. I'm starting to think I didn't put the skeg on this because it's kicking around all over the place. If you do like that sunshine, gear on and I'm going to sweat my ass off. These like fishing pegs. It's a wild canal, isn't it? They can't all be boat jetties. They've got to be fishing pegs, haven't they? Not best impressed with me. Paused for something to eat. And the ducks don't quite know what to make of me. I'm actually house shocked how peaceful and tranquil this is. Beautiful. I mean, the River Weir is nice, but with the river you've always got the noise of the water. Oh, sorry, drifted into the bank. The problem with this is some parts of it, honestly, they might look more like a stream than anything else. Look at that. Yeah, I did think that might be a bit of a problem, to be fair. I just discovered the only downside of a wetsuit, I think. If you need to water the bushes, you kind of have to get out on somewhere really secluded so you can strip the top off, because you have to undo the back and then peel the wetsuit off so you can go for a pee. Yeah, needs must, I suppose. And then just to make matters worse, this bloody inflatable seat on this inflatable kayak deflated on me. The valves are a pain in the butt. Once you've blown it up, you can't push it back in. And then when you don't push it back in, eventually it catches and just deflates. I tell you, I can't wait till I get my roof rack next week installed on the car. I can get my actual plastic solid base kayak on the water instead of this inflatable. The other thing I'm a bit surprised about this canal is just, I've just turned around now. I mean, obviously, it was only a short paddle today. I just wanted to see what this canal was like, because it will be a regular paddle destination for me once my roof rack's installed and everything. But obviously it has got a flow, you don't think about it. But obviously it starts at the basin, goes down and joins the river back down there, and it's filled by the river. So it is flowing downhill, only slowly, but I've just turned around to go back to where I started. And already I can realise I'm drifting. It's going to be a lot easier back. So, all's good. Good party. I have noticed that the wildlife on the canal is a lot easier to get pictures of as well, because it's quite smaller, it can't get away. Guessing that's overflow. Oh shit, that's a big lump of wood as well. Great. Going around that's pushed me a bit closer than I wanted to be to the operational weir. The hell's that dump was picked up? Building a nest or something. Oh shit, I'm gonna ground out. Not good, not good. I'm a bit conflicted as whether I want to fucking save this thing or not. Is that a Hornet? Look at the size of that. Never mind, look, I'll save it, it'll fucking sting me. The size of that, it's a good 2 inches long. Ah, what? That's got to be a Hornet, isn't it? I'm gonna have to look it up now to find out what it is. That is huge. Put him on dry land. There we go. Saved his ass. I'll be pissed if he fucking stings me later now. Look at that. Nice moored up canal boat. Look how shallow that is. Gotta be careful on the edges. Beautiful canal boat, moored up even. Moo'd Up, it's a new one. Well, the British Canoeing website and the Canal Trust website both had the weather forecast today for cloudy and like 75 to 80% chance of rain. As you can see with my squinting, because I didn't bring my sunglasses, it is bright sunshine. The sky is as clear as can be, it's blue. It did freeze last night though. So yeah, it's very chilly, it's deceptively chilly. But what are they getting paid for? They can't even get close with the weather. Yeah, it looks like that house at one point had its own boat access. Well overgrown now though, unfortunately. I haven't had a single barge moving this morning, and there's only 2 moored up. I'm gonna guess that's because it's middle of October. Plenty of dog walkers and runners though. Again, crystal clear water, very, very shallow. There are places where I can see the bottom, even in the middle channel where it's at its deepest. Although that looks like it's shallow, I wouldn't advise trying to step on it like you would with a bed of a river. Because that's mud, all silt. And you just don't know how deep the silt is. To be fair, if you fall out of your canoe in the canal, the last thing you want to do is try and stand up. Get stuck in that. That's literally the middle, look. You can still just about see the bottom. Well hidden. That's bridge number 78. Car's at 76, so I'm getting there now. Short morning paddle. Turned into a lovely morning. Oh, he's gone under. No idea what that is. Some sort of drain.